Good morning guys! Andito tayo sa Evans and Evans. Pupunta tayo sa Harry Potter. I'm so excited!
Hello mga B! Bibiyahe tayo saan man panig ng mundo. At hindi lang yan, I'm also a drag queen, mananahe, wig stylist, lahat ng yan, all in one. Kaya tutok na. Diyan lang kayo, dito lang ako. Ako si Cassandra B, ang biyahera drag queen.
This is the best birthday ever. Ayan, excited na ako. Let's go! Pasok na tayo sa bus. Ayan na. Diyan kayo pupunta sa Evans and Evans. Guys, finally, andito na tayo sa Warner Brothers sa studio ng Harry Potter. Ayan yung mga wand, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Oh, wow. I'm so excited. My God. Ito na siya, yung mga wand. Meron din tayong sariling wand na dala. Ayan. Tsak! Hello guys, ayan. Finally, andito tayo sa Hogwarts. Oh my God. Ito yung dragon, nakakaloka. Ayan siya, look at this. Ito yung sinakyan ni Harry, ni Ron, at ni Hermione. Yung nag-escape sila. Oh my, ang ganda niya. Ay, grabe. So guys, that is Harry, Hermione, and Weasley. Punta na tayo sa tour entrance. So guys, ito yung kung saan natutulog si Harry Potter. Ayan, under the cupboard ng stairs. Ayan siya, oh. Diba? Diyan natutulog si Harry Potter. So guys, of course, my favorite is Gryffindor. Slytherin, okay lang. Ito yung yung mga ginagamit nila dun sa games. Sana makita natin Nimbus 2000.
And with that, let me and my birthday helpers be the first ones to greet you with the very words that Harry heard when he first arrived at the castle. Welcome to Hogwarts. If you could give the doors a gentle push for me. Could I get a big round of applause for my birthday helpers? This is the Great Hall. It was one of the first sets ever constructed for the films, as well as one of the largest. The Great Hall stood on the soundstage just over there, actually, during production filming for over 10 years. Now, please continue to make your way through the Great Hall doors, as once they are closed, they make for a fabulous photo. And also, I'm sure that you're very keen to get a closer look at this incredible set and see all of the details. For example, we have our murals at the front and at the back of the Great Hall. These were hand-painted by our scenic painters. And I'm sure you may have also noticed as you're walking into the Great Hall that something is missing. The ceiling. I'm sure that you know that the Great Hall ceiling is enchanted, which means that we see stars and clouds. Well, these were all added in post-production using CGI, but there was a small model of the ceiling that was made to help with this process that you'll be able to see as you continue your tour a little bit later. Now, if you'd like to help me out by stomping on the floor a little bit, you'll be able to feel that this is actually very real. This is real York limestone that they used to make castles with up and down the UK. This is because the filmmakers knew that the set would be seeing a
So mga kabi, ayan yung actual door ng Harry Potter kung saan sila nag-shooting. I'm so excited. Chan! Happy birthday to me! So imagine nyo guys, dito sila nag-shooting. Mga kabi, ito yung original setup. Ang sabi ng tour guide kanina, ayan yung costume talaga nila Harry Potter. Yung tatlo. Ang galing, di ba? I'm so excited.
Wow, oh yeah.
So look at this, guys. Ito yung ano, yung ice, yung sa ball. Ayan siya. I remember this scene. Diba? Yung Yuli ball. This one is beautiful. Grabe. Tapos ito yung stairs na every time na gumagalaw. Diba? Yung nagpapalit-palit mga kabia. Ang galing, no? Ayan siya. Mga nakalagay doon sa pintuan na nahulog ng nawarla. Yung na-imbyer na ang mga bata. Nahulog kay Umbridge. This is Sears Black. Yan yung wardrobe niya.
Especially for a young boy, it was truly magical.
This was
And now that
amazing.
you're here, walking onto the same set,
Ang galing, no?
This years, I hope that you too can feel a little bit of that magic.
Yung dormitory ng Gryffindor. Yan. So ayan sila. Diyan sila natutulog. Cute, no? So ito yung iconic clock. Oh my. Ganda, oh. So ayan na. You could see yourself. Ang galing. Ayan yung papunta sa office ni Dumbledore. Tapos guys, ito yung office ni Professor Dumbledore. Tapos, ayun din yung Phoenix. Ayun. Oh my God, the Order of the Phoenix is there. This is Professor Dumbledore. O, diba? Grabe. Ito yung eksena na huhulihin si Dumbledore, tapos bigla siya naging Phoenix. And guys, ayan yung sip. Yung mga potion. Tapos ito yung mirror. Ay, grabe, oh. Guys, I did the green screen today. Bongga siya. Nagbayad ako ng 40 pounds. Then magkakaroon kayo ng video. I'll show you later kung anong klaseng videos. Ayan siya. So guys, this is the final result ng green screen. So they will teach you kung paano kayo magpo-pose, kung anong galaw. So yung mga staff, they will help us or help you to do para maging maganda yung video nyo. So may mga different background siya, nagpapalit-palit ng mga scene, ng mga different iconic places na ginawa sa Harry Potter. So ngayon, 40 pounds pala ang bayad dito, and then they will send to your email, tapos mada-download nyo siya within 30 days. So within 30 days, you need to download the video. Tapos, meron siyang background talaga music ng Harry Potter. I'll just put another background because of copyright issue. Ayan. Super nag-enjoy ako rito. Grabe. I love it. Bongga, in fairness. Nice experience. And then, it's going down na. Oh. Wow. The Goblet of Fire. Is my name came out? Woo! Oh! That's mine! Look at this! Harry Potter! This is the Chamber of Secrets. Ayan, door. The dark arts props. Look at the sea. This is Ambridge. O, di ba? Nandito tayo sa Ministry of Chamber. It's my favorite area.
Did the new sculpture.
Come to Forbidden Forest, mga kabi. Hagrid is here. Hello, Hagrid. So, kailangan natin mag-ready.
양소 비밀 수단.
Ayan. Ito yung bird na kailangan magbabaw ka. Ganon. Magbabaw ka sa kanya. Ayan. Yun yung tubaw. Di ba? Galing, no? Bye-bye! This is the friend of Hagrid. Friends of Hagrid, come out. Yes.
Not. I cannot deny that. Fresh meat when it wanders so willingly into our midst.
Subukan mo.
Goodbye.
Friend of Hagrid. Ayan siya. So, mga kabi, ito yung actual tree na ginamit doon sa shooting ng Harry Potter. Imagine niyo, oh. My God! Ay, grabe! Ito yung Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. No, 2005. Ayan siya. Galing, no? And this one is Order of the Phoenix. Doon ginamit siya. So guys, ito yung Hogwarts Bridge. Look at this. Oh, how cool! Grabe. Ang galing niya. Ayan siya. Pasok tayo dyan sa loob. Eto na guys. Pasok na tayo dito sa Hogwarts Bridge. Ayan siya, oh. Look at this. Welcome to the Hog.
Find a place to practice what Umbridge won't find out.
The Shrieking Shack.
There's too small.
The forest.
Grabe. How cool. Ayan siya, oh.
Exciting, isn't it? Breaking the walls.
Yes!
What have you done with the main character?
Grabe, galing. So guys, ito yung ginamit dun sa Harry Potter na ano. Ayan, oh. Look at this. Ito yung car na lumilipad. Diba? Ah! Tapos ito yung house na maliit na lumalaki. Ayan siya. Ganda. Miniature siya. Tapos kung saan nagsimula lahat. Where Harry Potter's begins, sa Privet Drive. Ayan siya. Oh. Galing, no? Ayan, at nandito na tayo mismo sa loob ng bahay nila. Harry Potter. Ayan, oh.
Can I tempt you, Mom?
Just a small one. Excellent nosh for chili. Give me a bit more.
Ayun, eksena yung lumipad ang ano niya.
A bit more. That's a boy.
Of course, Dobby. Dobby is my favorite character. Oh, Dobby the elf. Hello, Dobby.
This cry is faithful to anyone who hears it. Excellent. 10 points to Gryffindor.
Si Harry Potter. Nawala na ng mata. So guys, we pull this one. Oh, cool. Isa pa. No. This is Malfoy. So, andito naman tayo sa area ng prosthetics. Ayan siya. Did you remember him? Ang cute nito. This is Harry Potter, Dumbledore, and Hermione Granger. The Goblin. OMG! This is one of my favorite plays na nakita ko here sa Warner Brothers Studio. Natatandaan nyo ba mga kabi na si Ron, si Hermione at si Harry Potter. Si Harry Potter, ininom yung potion at nagpanggap siya na si Bellatrix para makapasok sila dito sa bangko ng Gringotts at para makuha ang isa sa mga Horcrux na para matalo nila si Voldemort. Alam nyo, if you are really fan of Harry Potter, super worth it na magpunta dito sa location ng Warner Brothers Studio. Super nakakaaliw talaga, sobra. Grabe, amazing! So dito yung eksena kung saan si Harry Potter ay nag-pretend na si Bellatrix. So, I wish to open my vault. Ayun siya, yung area na yan. Hi!
Superintendently figured space where he really got a sense of the scale of the craft within the vast cavern space. And this allowed us to shoot quite freely without sort of any kind of limitations on the cup at the back of the step. We could make the treasure appear to grow throughout
Ito yung
the
hinahanap
scene.
nila yung ano.
We probably manufactured 60 or 70,000 pieces to create that volume. And then on top of
Ayan na siya. Oh my God. Ayan na yung dragon. Oh my God. Ayan na siya. Grabe! O, di ba? Aga natin siya. Ching! So, ayan na ang Hogwarts. Grabe, no? Ganda. So guys, this is all the kind of ones. So I have my one. So at the end, meron silang mga iba't ibang klaseng souvenirs na napakadami. All kinds of group of Harry Potter andito. All the broomstick and everything. Guys, after the tour, meron silang may mga hot chocolates, meron silang ice cream, milkshake, and everything. So, andun natin yung food hall andoon. So, kasi ang tour niya is per hour always. So, ayan yung pila. So, the next tour, makikita nyo dun sa screen. Ito ang. Ayan. So, the next one is 1 o'clock. Hello. Ayan. And here, ito yung food court. So, we can eat here. And kain tayo dyan. If you are really, really fan of Harry Potter, it's really worth it to visit here in Warner Brothers studio here sa London. Actually, it's outside London. Mga 1 hour siya by coach, by bus. Merong mga operator tour. Yung sa akin, nabook ko sa Klook. And then, having afternoon tea. So, naubos na yung, ayan siya. So, ubusin natin siya kasi mahal siya. Inabot din tayo dito ng mga 3,000. Mga 3,000 pesos. So, sa pounds, mga 46 pounds yata or 42. So now, we're going for the sweets. Medyo matigas siya. So, ano kaya to? Tikman? Lagyan natin ng honey. My favorite part, yung matamis. O iwas sa diabetes. Hello guys, if you will book this trip, this Harry Potter studio, it's better to book the early, at least 9 a.m. yung pinaka-start niya. And then, you can book that in Klook. I booked that in Klook. Then get the 9 a.m. because if you are 9 a.m. and then you have limited time only in London, at least you will come back at least like afternoon in London. So you still have the time to stroll in central London. So 9 a.m. you will arrive 10 here, and then if you want to go around everything, it's roughly 2 hours. But if you want to like full detail, maximum 3 hours. And then you will pick up like 2:45. So at the moment, it's almost 2 na. Then I will go there to pick up para sa aking shuttle. So I really recommend this tour because if you are really fan of Harry Potter, you will enjoy every single corner. It was amazing experience. I love it.
like this video, please like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa mga latest kong video. Bye from now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching.